2 of building a Brumby. About to put a lift kit in it. Subarino in WA. They've actually just developed this lift kit. Well, it is released, but hopefully I'm one of the first ones to get it, so be good. Comes with good stickers and that. Yeah, so we'll go through what shit they give me, and then one night this week I'll be putting it in. So it gives you spaces for the back struts to make them longer. Big bag of bolts. Oh, it does actually come with fitting instructions too, so it's not just a dodgy kit, like it does actually come with proper instructions, which I probably won't read. Comes with the longer steering shaft. When you get mad lift, you need that. It also comes with what's very good with this lift kit, so I was going to make my own, but I thought this is cheaper than me trying to make my own. They're actually off-centered strut tops too, so that what that does is it spaces struts from the body. What that actually does on this, if you can see, it's off-centered, so what it does is Brumbies have real bad camber issues. Off the top of your head, I think they run about positive 2 degrees, or positive camber, which is very horrible for handling. If you want the car to handle better, you put more negative camber on it, and based off whatever you're doing to it. But positive camber is bad, so what that does is it tries to neutralise the cambers, puts your plates back to 0, which makes the car handle better. Brumbies or Brats are known for rolling over, and that's why. So it should make the car drive better than it does now. So you get 2 of those, 2 of your strut top spaces. Yeah, it should actually make the wheel line up figures better than what it is from factory. So Subarino outdoing Subaru. Now the reason why I bought this lift kit too, because what everyone does when they lift a Brumby up is you get RHS and you space the front and rear K-frames and then space the struts and then you got lift. But what these blokes did is they actually thought about it. Everything's billet aluminium. So it comes with these nice shiny billet aluminium blocks which you space the cross member down, and then all you people that worry about the CV angles is, so when you have that strut spacer in it, so it drops your strut down, obviously if you just do that, it will put your steering knuckle on a big angle and then you'll do CVs because of the CV angle. But what they do is they do that and then they actually drop the full cross member down with that. So it drops the entire front end down. You get your height, everything stays at factory angles because it's all into the equation of that. So yeah, it comes with everything that's nice and neat. Nice aluminium blocks. Everything's billet and solid too. So it's not like your RHS dodgy kits. Not ADR compliant, but I don't really care. So thank you, Subarino.
I leave Subaru sick. it's actually working.
Too bright, can't see. Putting these cunts into this cunt and putting the bolt in the cunt.
And then going ugga dugga.
Instructions for the pussies.
Destruction. Whoops.
when you pull your brake lines off, instead of getting someone in the car to bleed them, all you do is undo it, and if you watch it, it might take a little bit. A lot of air in that one. So it takes a while, but what it does is it just works off gravity and it just pushes the brake fluid through it, and the air bubbles will come out down there. Since that's the highest point on the brake caliper where the piston and the actual fluid is, and you don't need someone in the car.
Trays are still just not going to fit, are they? Oh, sorry, hang on. 37's not quite going to fit.
Damn.